Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make jollof noodles. It's very easy, very simple, and very exciting to make. So starting with this is jollof chicken flavor instant noodles. If you don't have this, you can use any regular noodles, and the tomatoes that we're going to be using would literally make up for it. Using this just gives you the extra added benefit because the flavor inside of here is kind of reddish even without the tomatoes and etc. But if you don't have this, you can still use regular instant noodles. Besides that, I have our carrots, I have our peppers, green and red peppers, and runner beans, onions. This is blended tomatoes and pepper. So if you don't have this, if you have already cooked stew, you can take a bit from that. That will save you a whole lot of stress. And then sausages, they are chicken franks. You can skip this if you don't like sausages. And this is pepper for extra spice. I love a very spicy meal. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice everything that you see here, and we'll be right back. I'm not going to be using all of the pepper, and I'm just going to be using 2 from this. You can use much more if you like. Also, if you're using just plain tomato and peppers without stew, you may also need a little bit of oil. Not all of this, just a little bit. But if you're using stew, you can as well just skip the oil.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.